Hello guys! Today I will teach you how to use Streamyard to your YouTube channel account. First, click Google Chrome, and at the browser you have to type youtube.com and you have to click sign in. Input your email address and your password. Alright, so once done, at this page on your YouTube channel page, you will have to make your another tab, and you will type at the browser streamyard.com. Okay, so let's just wait for a few minutes. Alright, so if you're already at this page now, Streamyard page, you could actually click at the left side, the easiest way to create professional live streams, email address. You will have to input your email address and then click get started, or else you may actually click login at the upper right portion there. Can you see that? You could actually click that one and log into your account, input your email address, and afterwards get login code. So you will have to click that. So let's wait for a few seconds. Still loading up. Alright, there you go. Welcome back, and please check your email. We've sent a login code, so we will have to create or click another tab, and we will have to type at the browser gmail.com. Click enter, and let us wait for a few minutes maybe, or a few seconds. Okay, there you have it, loading Gmail. So let's wait. Alright, so Streamyard login code, you will have to click that one on your email inbox. Click, and there you have it, 440273. You will have to double click and copy, or you may press Ctrl A. And then let's go back to the Streamyard tab. Welcome back, and paste the login codes and log in. Click login. And there you go at your Streamyard page. You will have their broadcast and destinations. Kindly click create broadcast, and then click the plus sign, and you will have to connect this one to your YouTube channel. Click YouTube channel, and then we will wait for a few seconds then. And one moment. There you have it. Choose an account. Click your account there, and then it will show like this. Streamyard wants to access your Google account, and then you will have to click allow button. You will have to click that. There you go. So here you are ready to have your live streaming, but before that you will have to put your title, description, and click create broadcast. But since it's a tutorial for you then that I am sharing, I will just put my live stream, and I will just create my description afterwards. Then click create broadcast, and you're entering a broadcast studio. Still loading up, and then just one moment here. Okay, so here you're entering a broadcast studio. You will have to click allow microphone and camera. So there you go, I am there. Yes, you could see that. You could actually click the display name, and you could write your or type your YouTube channel name. So I just put Irish Clairre Lacuna, that is my YouTube channel, and click enter broadcast studio, and you are ready. And then actually you're ready for live streaming. It's already prepared. Okay, and let me adjust this one. Hold on. All right. Okay, that would be the appearance of your Streamyard app connected to your YouTube channel. And you will have to click the add stream there, the pointed arrow at the corner left side, and that's the time you will have to click the live button at the upper right. Yeah, I'm so sorry, I was not able to adjust. Upper right corner, then there's a live button. There you go, I'm already in live streaming. Yay! Alright, so now we will have to proceed how to use Streamyard Social Blade. So meaning, this will show you how to count your subscribers in live. Okay, so you will have to make another browser and you will have to type socialblade.com and then click enter, and there you go. Okay, at the upper right corner at the Social Blade, you could see enter. What's this? Maybe enter YouTube channel name or enter name that you want to count the subscribers on live. So I will have to input Ruby Divalge and checking your browser before accessing socialblade.com now. So let us wait for a few minutes then. Okay, so that would be the channel suggestions. I will have to click the first picture since I've input Ruby Divalge, so I will have to click that name and let us wait for a few minutes. There you have it, Ruby Divalge. You could actually see user summary, future projections at the bottom part, and kindly look for live subscriber count. Yeah, live subscriber count option. So you may actually see that at the rectangular black shape there. I pointed out using mouse, and there you go. Ruby Divalge has 751 subscribers, and we will actually add or share this one to your Streamyard Live. Okay, so just give me one moment while accessing that one. Hold on. Okay. Alright, so here you have to click share screen then, and you will have to select Chrome tab and look for the Social Blade there, and then click share, and let's go back to the Streamyard Live, and perfect, there you have it. It's already shared to your Streamyard Live. So you will have to monitor the subscribers of Ruby Divalge right here now, or your YouTube friends counting their subscribers on live. Okay guys, I hope you get ideas on how to use Social Blade in Streamyard applications. And to end this live, you will have to click the red rectangular shape at the upper right and stream. Okay, alright, you may actually click X, or you may actually click the thumbs up or thumbs down. Alright, I hope you enjoy watching this tutorial, and have a great day.
Thank you for watching.